Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, your instructor Sunny, with one of the essential topic which is all about the history of Saddam Hussein. In this video, I'm gonna explain the biography of Saddam Hussein. Who was Saddam Hussein? Saddam Hussein's early life. What happened to Saddam Hussein? What is the Saddam Hussein known for? And how did Saddam Hussein die? In this video, I'm gonna explain these questions step by step. But before moving toward the topic, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and with your family members, and share with those who are in need of it. So let's step ahead toward the topic without wasting your time and my time. So the topic which I'm going to explain, that is all about history, the biography of Saddam Hussein. Who was the Saddam Hussein? So this is the first question. Saddam Hussein was the president of Iraq from 1979 to 2003. Saddam Hussein was a brutal dictator who repressed the Shia and Kurdish people of his country and invaded Iran and Kuwait. He was toppled in the 2003 invasion of his country by the United States of America and allied forces. Saddam Hussein's early life. Saddam Hussein was born in 1937 in the village of Auja near Tikrit in Iraq. His father died before he was born and his mother was named Subhatul Musallat, fleeing from his abusive stepfather. Saddam Hussein moved to Baghdad to live with his uncle. He attended law school for several years before dropping out. In 1957, Saddam Hussein joined the small Iraqi Ba'ath Party. It's the name of a party which his uncle supported. This party, an offshoot of the Ba'ath Party, which controlled Syria west to overthrow the Hashemite king who ruled Iraq and established a socialist nationalist government ruled by the Arab people. The monarchy was supported by Britain and the US, United States of America, who owned the Iraq Petroleum Company, which profited from oil in the country. So let's talk more about Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein was the dictator of Iraq who ruled from 1979 to 2003. During his youth, he joined the Ba'ath Party, which wished to topple the monarchy and establish a socialist nationalist republic. Saddam Hussein led their attempt to assassinate Prime Minister Qasim. In 1968, the Ba'ath Party launched a coup and seized power with Ahmad Hassan al-Bakr. Then Ahmad Hassan al-Bakr became the president and Saddam Hussein became the vice president. During his vice presidency, Saddam Hussein oversaw economic development and pro-worker policies, though also brutally cracked down on Kurdish rebels. In 1979, Saddam Hussein overthrew al-Bakr and became the president. A year later, he invaded revolutionary Iran, beginning the Iran-Iraq War, a brutal, prolonged war during which Iraq used chemical weapons against civilians. In 1990, Saddam Hussein invaded Kuwait too, was shortly afterward expelled by the United States of America and its allies in the Persian Gulf War. In 2003, the US, United States of America, again invaded Iraq, falsely accusing it of maintaining chemical weapons and cooperating with the terrorist group Al-Qaeda. Saddam Hussein was captured, convicted for war crimes by an Iraqi tribunal and hanged in 2006. So this is the short history and short biography of Saddam Hussein. So let's step ahead toward the another questions. So the another question which is, that is, what happened to Saddam Hussein? This is the question. So the answer is, Saddam Hussein was captured, put on trial and hanged for war crimes. His grave was later destroyed. He is not remembered fondly. What is Saddam Hussein known for? Saddam Hussein is known for being the dictator of Iraq. he invaded Iran and Kuwait. He was toppled from power in the 2003 by the United States of America. And the last question is, how did Saddam Hussein die? Saddam Hussein went into hiding in Operation Red Dawn. American forces tracked him down and seized him. So I hope you have gotten the history of Saddam Hussein, that who was Saddam Hussein, and now I hope, I glad raise that your mind is clear about these questions. So if you have any question related to this topic or another topic, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. So in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family members, and share with those who are in need of these topics. So this is all for today, and once again, if you have any question, so you can just comment me in the comment box. So this is all for today. Thanks for being a part of this class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.